Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Windows 11, there's an important security update you should know about. Microsoft has announced that secure boot certificates are being refreshed because some of the existing certificates are approaching their expiration dates. While this isn't something that will stop your PC from working today, installing the latest updates will help ensure your device remains secure and compatible with future boot security updates. Microsoft explained this in an official Windows Experience blog article titled Refreshing the Root of Trust Industry Collaboration on Secure Boot Certificate Updates. In the blog, the company explains why these certificate updates are necessary and how they're working with hardware manufacturers and industry partners to keep Windows devices protected. Microsoft has also published a detailed support article called Windows Secure Boot Certificate Expiration and CA Updates. This article answers common questions, explains which devices are affected, and outlines how these updates are being delivered through Windows Update. I'll leave links to both official Microsoft articles in the video description so you can read the complete details directly from Microsoft. Now let's check whether Secure Boot is enabled on this Windows 11 PC. Press Windows plus R, type MS Info32 and press Enter. This opens the System Information window. Here, look for Secure Boot State. As you can see, mine is showing on, which means Secure Boot is already enabled. You can also verify this from the Windows Settings app. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click Windows Security, then open Device Security. Under Security Processor and Secure Boot, you'll see that Secure Boot is enabled. In fact, Secure Boot is enabled by default on most Windows 11 devices that meet Microsoft's hardware requirements. Finally, open Settings, select Windows Update and click Check for updates. If the Secure Boot Certificate update is available for your device, Windows will download and install it automatically. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Microsoft is rolling out the update gradually, so it may take some time before it reaches every compatible PC. That's all for this video. Make sure your Windows 11 device stays up to date so you receive the latest security improvements from Microsoft. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Windows 11 updates, insider builds, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.